Navigate with confidence. Mastering. How can I get to questions? Hello, language explorers. Welcome back to our series on conversational English. In today's lesson, we will focus on asking and answering, how can I get to questions? This is a crucial skill to have when you're in a new city, or even just trying to find your way around a new building. So, let's get started. The phrase, how can I get to, is commonly used to ask for directions. It's straightforward and polite, making it a great choice for most situations. The structure is simple. You start with the question phrase, how can I get to, followed by the place or destination. For example, how can I get to the post office? Or, how can I get to Madison Square Garden? Remember, we typically use this structure when we're not familiar with the area and need assistance finding our way. Answering these questions is just as easy as asking them. You start by giving a general direction, then provide specific turns or landmarks. For instance, if someone asked, how can I get to the post office? A possible answer could be, go straight on this road for about 2 blocks, then turn right at the grocery store. The post office is right across the street. Try to provide clear, concise directions. Use easy-to-spot landmarks if possible, and try to estimate distances or travel times. Now let's put our learning into practice with some exercises. Remember, practice is key to mastering any language skill. Exercise 1. Ask how you can get to the library. Exercise 2. Respond to the question, how can I get to the supermarket? Exercise 3. Ask how you can get to the nearest train station. Exercise 4. Respond to the question, how can I get to the museum? You can write down your questions and responses, practice them aloud, or even better, find a practice partner to work with. And that's a wrap on our lesson on how can I get to questions. With practice, you'll be able to ask and give directions confidently in no time. Remember, don't be afraid to ask for directions or clarification if you're unsure. People are generally happy to help. Until next time, happy learning, and remember, the road to language proficiency is a journey, not a destination.